Unlock the full potential and seamless operation of your Canon EOS R5 by ensuring its drivers are always up to date. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Canon support website. Once there, locate the search bar and type in EOS R5 to quickly find your camera's dedicated support page. On the EOS R5 support page, look for the Drivers and Software section, which is typically found within the Downloads or Support navigation. You'll then see a list of available drivers. Identify the newest version, usually indicated by the release date, and select it. Click the Download button to initiate the download of the driver installation file. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file, typically in your Downloads folder or on your desktop. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process, and grant any necessary administrative permissions if prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions of the installation wizard, usually clicking next through the various prompts. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the wizard. For the changes to take full effect, it's a good practice to unplug your EOS R5 from your computer and then reconnect it. With your drivers now up to date, your Canon EOS R5 is optimized for peak performance and ready to capture stunning moments.